I bet you didn't know why yawning and finger snapping go hand in hand. Prepare to be amused. Yawning is contagious, right? But snapping your fingers while yawning? That's a head scratcher. Turns out, it's a subconscious way to stay alert. When you yawn, your body tries to wake itself up. Snapping fingers adds a bit of stimulation, like a mini wake-up call. Some say it's just a learned habit, passed down through generations. Others believe it's a way to signal to others, hey, I'm tired, but I'm still here. So next time you catch yourself snapping away, remember, it's your brain's sneaky way of keeping you engaged. Do you snap your fingers when you yawn? Drop a comment with your name, and let's see how many of us do this. And hey, if you found this fun, smash that subscribe button for more quirky facts. Catch you in the next one.